Okay, Google Sheets. Google Sheets is probably one of my favorites. So I'm going to quickly go over how we get to Google Sheets. Remember, if you're logged into your Rains ISD, you'll have the little grid here, and you can choose any app from here, and I just went to the green Sheets. When you choose the sheets like this, it's going to show up with all of the blank one, and that's what we're going to start with, but there are tons of different templates, which I think you'll find very beneficial in using Sheets. I'm going to start with a blank one, so when I click on it, it's basically going to open up just like Google Docs did. And then our first thing we're going to do here is we're going to give it a name. So I will just call this Intro to Sheets, and I'm going to kind of give you some quick fun things that it will already do. Now remember, when we start it like this, it just goes to the root directory of our drive. It's really not in a folder, and so we can move that after we get it done. Also, after I type, I have to click down here for it to save. Now, beginning thing, if you want to save anything you type in Sheets, which you probably already know, you have to press enter to accept that information. And then to move, you can press tab. I'm pressing the tab key and it's moving over. The enter key will put my cursor inside, and then the enter key again will change it. So you notice I'm not using my mouse here. I hit my enter key and I'm going to type Monday, then it goes down. Um, if I hit my enter key again, it automatically puts the cursor in the cell, and that's beneficial that you don't have to have your hands leaving the keyboard. I always like to give you some easy ways to keep your hands on the keyboard at all times. So anyway, and you know the arrow keys on your keyboard will also let you move around. I'm using the left right arrow, up and down arrow. Just remember, if your cursor is inside a cell, it's not going to move. Okay, one thing that's neat about this, you see the skinny plus sign. If I fill this down, Google automatically knows the days of the week. It automatically knows. And this is it. All of the things I'm telling you in Sheet usually will also work in Office 365 in Microsoft Excel. So the months of the year and the days of the week. And you can give it any patterns. Like if you want a number to put your, oops, sorry. If you want to number to put your, roles in or whatever, give it a pattern and then skinny plus sign and it will number forever for you. If you want to do some ranges, like in math, if you have a pattern, you can do your patterns here and you can highlight them first and then it will just count forever. And those are just the easy things that it will do. Now you notice I'm filling down. It will also fill across. So if we start here and we type Monday and we want to go across, we go back and highlight that. We get the skinny plus signs always at the bottom and it will fill across. So it will do everything that I've just done down. It will also do those across. And remember, this works in Sheets. This works in Excel. And there's just tons that I can show you little quick things on this. And what we're going to do, I just want you to comment to each of these, and at the end of Sheets, we'll have another project like we did in Docs. So, hope this was beneficial.